Acer unveils Chromebox Mini CXM2 and Chromebox Mini CXM2 Enterprise Edition. The Acer Chromebox Mini CXM2 has been announced at IFA 2025 as a compact ChromeOS device powered by Intel processors. Available in standard and enterprise editions, the Chromebox can be mounted behind a monitor or used freestanding. The Chromebox Mini CXM2 has been announced at IFA 2025 as a new addition to Acer's line of Chromeboxes. Available in standard and enterprise editions, Asus describes it as an ultra-compact solution for small workspaces. It also said users will be able to choose between mounting it behind a monitor using an optional VESA mounting kit or securing it freestanding with a Kensington lock. The Chromebox Mini CXM2 is available in 3 processor variants: Intel Core 3 N350, Intel N250, and Intel N150. It will have up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 128 GB of eMMC storage. The Chromebox also has an M2 expansion slot. For ports and connectivity, the Chromebox Mini CXM2 has 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports on the front, while the back houses 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports, and a single USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C port. It also has an Ethernet port, Wi-Fi 6E, and an audio jack. The Acer Chromebox Mini CXM2 will be available this September, starting at €229 for the standard version and going up to €299 for the enterprise version.